Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mode Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. Have a 2018 Chevy Suburban. Get ready to change out the spark plugs and coil packs and little wires they have. In order to get that out, you're going to have a plastic piece. I'll show you on the other side. Let me move my table. That's completely covering it. So we're just going to use this for an example. In order to get this off, you're going to come up under the bottom and press the white piece right there and pull out. Doing it one hand. And then you have the one on the bottom, which this is right here, and you're going to pull up. It's plastic, be very careful. Now all you have to do is finagle this plastic piece. Oh, take the oil cap off, that would help. And you're gonna finesse this plastic piece off. Take the oil stick out. These like to break, just don't risk it. Put it right there. Any and all the tools that are in this video, we have an we have a mechanic store. You can go to my link tree on my bio page to my Amazon store. Or you can go to the modemechanic757.com, and then you just have to finesse this off. The other side's a little bit more in the pain in the butt, but it's the same principle. You just finesse it off. Boom. There's all your coil packs. And then your spark plugs are right down there. What I like to do is, because they got these little red tabs on them, if they're on the car, I just take this tool that I use for a trim and just pop it up, press the tab, and voila, it comes off. It's real tight up here. I don't know why they have it so tight, but that's what they do. And then you're just taking the 10mm bolts off, and he's changing the wire, so I'm just going to take it all off as one piece, and then you're going to change the spark plugs and move on. Also, in my business, we protect ourselves from diagnosis and bad customers and those who have attitudes and those who want to blame everything on every single body except themselves. We sell documents on the modemechanic757.com, the modemechanic757.com. It covers almost every scenario I can think of, and it saved us 99.9% of the time, and especially in court. He even has a mechanic lien on it. I can't show you his signature, but it has a mechanic lien built into it right there. So the police usually will say, oh, this is a silver issue. No, we're allowed to have the keys. So with that being said, we are a people before profit company, as you can see. So if you like this video, hit that share and follow button. Thank you.